The Larson Electronics EPL-TX8A24V explosion-proof step-down transformer converts commonly used 120 to 277 volt AC electrical current to 24 volts DC at 8 amps. This converter is designed to be hardwired into electrical supplies where the voltage is typically within the 100 to 277 volt AC range and steps it down to 24 volts DC, allowing operators to use standard AC power to operate equipment that requires 24 volt DC current. This explosion-proof power converter features an IP67 rated waterproof cast aluminum housing, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor use, and includes integral short circuit and overload protection that will shut down the unit in case of faults and overloads. This explosion-proof step-down transformer has a universal input voltage range from 100 volt through 277 volt AC at 50 to 60 Hz. Both input and output sides of this transformer are terminated in EYS seal-offs with CGB cord grips. Enough Chico fiber and compound is provided for operators to seal both EYS seal-offs after cable is installed. Customer provides both line-in and line-out cable and seals the EYS with the sealing compound provided. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.